Imagine the day you pass the USMLE exam. Everyone around you is celebrating, rejoicing over your victory. You're in the midst, smiling. Only you know what it took to get to the end of the journey. The grit, the hours of discipline, the sacrifice, the pain it took to get to the end of the struggle. You are the only one who truly knows the sweat and the seeds you have sown. So celebrate your well-earned victory. Do you see yourself proud of who you've become? A doctor in the making, halfway up there? Keep this picture of celebration even before you start the journey on the USMLE road. When you visualize the end from the very beginning, you've already set the stage for victory.